In this video, we will show you how to make a cheap concrete flower pot. Video begins with the creator preparing the workspace and gathering the basic materials needed for the project. A clean, organized setup is important when working with concrete, because once the mixing starts, the process moves quickly. Having everything ready in advance helps avoid mistakes and keeps the workflow smooth. Next, the creator prepares the mold that will shape the planter. Using a well-designed mold is key to achieving clean edges and a professional look. In many DIY concrete projects, simple household containers can be used as molds, which makes the process both accessible and affordable. Now the mix is prepared. The creator carefully combines the dry concrete mix with water, gradually stirring until the consistency becomes smooth and workable. A common tip here is to avoid adding too much water and use plasticizer, which will ensure that the concrete mixture flows nicely into all places and fills the entire form, thus avoiding cracks and deformations. Once the mixture reaches the right consistency, it is slowly poured into the mold. The creator gently taps and shakes the mold during this step. This small but important technique helps release trapped air bubbles inside the concrete. Removing these bubbles leads to a smoother surface and a more refined finished result. With the mold filled, the project is left to rest and cure. Patience is important at this stage. Allowing the concrete enough time to fully harden ensures the planter will be strong and durable. Rushing the step can weaken the structure and damage the final shape. Concrete will gain 100% of its strength after 3 weeks. After the curing process is complete, the creator carefully removes the mold. This moment reveals the raw concrete planter. The edges and surface are then inspected and small imperfections are smoothed out. Light sanding or surface finishing can make a significant difference in the overall appearance. Finally, the finished planter is cleaned and prepared for use. At this stage, the creator may add optional finishing touches, such as sealing the concrete or adjusting the surface texture. Sealing is often recommended because it helps protect the concrete and makes the planter more resistant to moisture and stains. The result is a simple yet modern concrete planter created entirely through a DIY process. With basic materials, patience, and a few practical techniques, the creator demonstrates how anyone can craft a stylish and durable planter at home.